The GEES-43 Acme, classified as WDG4G by the Indian Railways, is a class of dual-cabin freight-hauling diesel-electric locomotive. The locomotive is designed by GE Transportation and is based on its Evolution series, which are used in North America. The class is meant for freight hauling and replaces the older American Locomotive Company, ALCO, design locomotives, which have been the mainstay diesels of Indian Railways since 1962. Equipped with a 12-cylinder fully turbocharged GIMB engine, it is claimed to be 50% more environmentally friendly than its predecessors and is the first in the country to be compliant with Level 1 of the emission norms set by the International Union of Railways, UIC1. The locomotive has two cabs for easy reversal, both of which are air-conditioned.